Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I want to wish everybody a happy 2025. So I wish everybody a nice and healthy year, and hopefully it's going to be a prosperous year, especially in the crypto market and where we can probably, hopefully, make life-changing gains. So before I start, smash that like button and give us a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated, and it costs you absolutely nothing to do it. But in this video, just going to briefly talk about crypto.com and CRO, Bitcoin as well as alt season. So let's further ado, let's get into it. So right now we can see Bitcoin, people are bearish at the moment on X. People are saying the bull market is over. That's it. No, we're not going to have alt season. But sometimes that can be far from the truth. I've heard it so many times in so many bull markets that we have these corrections. It's been a 15% correction. It's not even been a 20, 30, 40% correction like we have in previous bull markets with Bitcoin. It's not been that at all. Maybe this is a little bit different now because we've got institutions in. I just don't see these drops being as big as they used to be because there's big demand in right now, and there's exciting times ahead as well. This is not like 2022 when you had the FTX collapse or Celsius collapse. This is 2025 now. This is where we've got a new administration coming in, which is bullish on crypto. Will we have a Bitcoin reserve? What other news will we have about crypto throughout the world? Will other countries, if Bitcoin gets adopted as a reserve in the United States of America, I'm expecting like Asia could start to follow suit as well. So big things are going to be happening in 2025. I could be wrong on that, so it might completely happen and we all actually tank into a bear market. But at the moment, everything's looking positive. Everything's looking bullish. The technicals are looking bullish. The fundamentals are there bullish, and I'm feeling bullish. My gut feeling's telling me 2025 is going to be the season. Bitcoin sitting at 93,646. How can you be bearish on that? And Ethereum sitting at currently at $3,342,000, and we're sitting at the moment a market cap of $3.27 trillion. I'm just not bullish. I'm not just bearish at all. I just can't be bearish in that because, like I said, in every bull market, you're always going to have pullback. So you just got to bear that in mind. But looking at CRO right now, CRO has taken a bit of a tumble, just like a lot of the altcoins have done. But CRO is sitting at around about 3.7 billion. Sitting at a volume of 29.71 million. Now, you might look at this and get scared and think, oh, that's it, it's all over. Or you could be on the other side of the fence, which says maybe this is a DCA opportunity. Maybe this is an opportunity to buy in cheaper. Because right now, when we hit around about that 23 cents, and we're now sitting at 14 cents, this may well be the opportunity to DCA. And this is not if I say any financial advice. You always do your own research. And like I said, and also I want to point out that I do own CRO as well. And I do have an IC white card as well. So yeah, so there we go. Got that out of the way. But yeah, overall, I think it's personally a DCA. I have DCA'd in at these levels. I did DCA in when it went to about 13.5 cents or something like that. So I have been DCAing, but I've been DCAing throughout the bear market as well. So my average cost is around about, I think it's about like 5 pence or something like that. So overall, I've been DCAing in the bear market, and this dip has been a DCAing opportunity in my opinion. And why do I think it's a DCAing opportunity? It's because what crypto.com are doing. We can see here on the video here with crypto.com, I won't play it all, but you can see what they've done for 2024. It's been a big year. It has been a big year for crypto.com in what they have done. They've got the Prime card, as they say here now, which is an exclusive. I think it costs about $1 million. And it's got new rewards as well, globally, which is coming out. And also you've got the welcome packs. And it says here you've got over 100 million users, which I think is more now. And then you could go, you've got Fiat wallet as rivals, Fiat wallets. And then also, don't forget, you've got the best security as well. Like I said, there's an absolute loads of things coming in to the crypto.com ecosystem. We're getting more licenses, like it says there, more certificates, more partnerships. We've also got Airdrop Arena now, which is there where you can actually get into there. And also, do not forget that what's coming big in 2025 is we've got the banking and we've got the stock market as well coming into the crypto. And also, not forgetting that we're also going to have like sports betting as well, and that's going to no doubt take around the world as well. At the moment, I think it's just the United States of America, but at the moment, hopefully, and like I said, we've got that also 2030 for the FIFA World Cup, for the F1 as well. So there's lots and lots of things going on in the crypto.com ecosystem. And that is why I'm absolutely bullish, because like I said, also with the Cronos chain as well, you've got burns happening as well coming in. I want to know more about that. I want to see more burns. But anyway, we've seen that, and look, absolutely bullish in my opinion. And we can have a look at the chart as well. The chart hasn't really changed much from yesterday or the day before that. We're on this massive falling wedge where we're starting to get higher high, and then we've got higher lows coming in here. So we're hitting our area of resistance. But look at that. We've got a nice, beautiful area of support. And I'm expecting at some point soon, we're going to get a breakout of this. We're going to really break out. Now, I know a lot of people are getting frustrated because don't forget, we've seen BitGet and BNB going to all-time highs, and Leo token also going up to all-time highs, and CRO just hasn't done it. I'm waiting for burns, because at the end of the day, exchange seems to get a lot of acceleration move when it comes to burns. So I'm hoping either crypto.com announces some burn pretty soon, or we're going to get a Cronos chain announcement very soon and give us more detail regarding about that quarterly burns as well. So I'm expecting that type, because if we do get that, I really do think we could move up to 400, 500, 600% pretty quick. So hopefully, and this is why again I've been DCAing in. So we're in this massive falling wedge at the moment. We can look at the EMAs as well. So what I want us to see is I want to see us get back above that 20 EMA and that 50 EMA. That's what I want to see. Now, like I said, we're in that falling wedge here, and it's getting compressed now. We're getting closer and closer. Now, I'm expecting that at some point, hopefully, we're going to get a breakout. If Bitcoin starts breaking back up to the upside, and obviously that's going to bring in a lot more volatility and more pushes towards the upside as well. But I am watching also here for Bitcoin dominance as well on the daily. We're just basically just chopping around. We have that big drop down. We come up, test the area of resistance, and we're starting to pull back down. And we're getting closer to that area of where we drop, potentially could drop like. So we're getting closer to that. If it happens, I've penciled in out for around the 6th of January. Now, I might be wrong. We could chop along down and drop down. I think we're getting closer to that, because what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment, it's just chopping sideways. And this is what we want. But one thing we want to see is Ethereum. We want to see Ethereum make a big move. It's needing to make a big move, because if Ethereum makes a big move to the upside and Bitcoin's going sideways, that dominance is going to absolutely plummet. Like I said, so I'm being patient and I'm watching out for this. But looking at the Bitcoin ETF flows at the moment, we can have a look at that when this all kicks in. So yeah, at the moment, ETF flows have been very minimal, 5.3. We had nothing come in yesterday. And also, yeah, nothing again today at the moment. So like I said, stock markets are not really open today. So yeah, but 36 million came in on the 31st of December for Ethereum. So looking at Bitcoin as well, so I'm watching out for Bitcoin too. We've got that head and shoulders. I feel we're pretty much bottoming out at the moment. We could drop down a little bit more, I think, down to that 90 potentially. But at the moment, it looks like it's getting close, like it's bottoming out. I want us to see us get above that 50 EMA and that 20 EMA with continuation to the upside. So we've just got to bear that one in mind. But what I am also watching for, and I'm watching very, very carefully this, because this is quite an important one. I'm watching this, the 3 white soldiers, shooting star. It can be quite bearish. It could mean that we could start to drop down to the downside on the monthly chart. So I am getting prepared for that. The oscillator is getting oversold as well. We can see the first red triangle, which is pointing down to the downside. So at the moment, there's always room. We could make further on up to around about 96 to 97, because that's where we went last time. We can see here, back in April 2021, where we went peak, that went all the way back up to around about 99 to 100. So I'm watching out for that as well. So just be cautious on that one. Yeah. So just be careful of that one. It's like I said, it's 3 white soldiers, shoot star. So I'm watching that very carefully. I'm watching this. Look at this. All scenes dropped down to 49%. So, like I said, this could be an area of DCAing opportunity. Like I said, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own research. But we can see here, Quentin has also said here, crypto won on every front in 2014. Bitcoin ETF approved, most successful ETF launch in history, first pro-Bitcoin US president, and that again is why I am bullish. I'm bullish because we've got Donald Trump, who's the president of the United States of America, who holds crypto, especially Ethereum. Crypto-friendly US Congress, institute giants openly promoting Bitcoin and building crypto, increased sovereign interest, traditional banks including JP Morgan and Deutsche Bank are exploring blockchain technology and crypto custody, and hash rates are all-time high. You can't get any more bullish than that, in my opinion. And if you think you're bearish now, I think you're absolutely crazy. I know I give these price targets as well, and I know people say, yeah, another influence, giving a price target, but I'm only giving you what my opinion is, what I'm thinking it could go to, and I might be totally wrong on my price targets. So you've got to bear that in mind. So all these people who say out there on the chat, on the comments, that you're another one shilling, giving like unrealistic price targets, I'm just giving you what I think my opinion is. Everybody has different opinions on where they think the price is going to go. So like I said, always do your own research. That's the number one thing you should always do, your own research. But overall, I think it's going to be a bullish 2025, continue up to the upside. The monthly, as I said, the shooting star, just watch very carefully on that one. But I don't think it's over yet. I think we've got quite a little while to go before the bull market finishes. So hit that like button, give us a subscribe. Your support is always much appreciated. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.